This is the first in our new series that we're calling Fast Food You Can Cook at Home. We'll take your favourite fast food items and break them down so you can cook them at home. We'll start with the breakfast staple, the McDonald's sausage and egg McMuffin. So here's what you're going to need. A lightly buttered English muffin, an egg, 2 of your favourite sausages, and some salt, pepper and garlic powder. Start by getting a square of grease-proof paper and adding a little oil to it. Spread the oil out so it coats the surface of the paper evenly. Then with a sharp knife, slice through the skin of the sausages so you can take the inside out. Make sure your sausages are cold and straight from the fridge, it just makes this a little easier. Then squash the sausages together until they become one ball of meat. Lay the meat onto the paper and start forming it as if you're making a burger patty. Once you're happy with the size and shape of the patty, season that with some salt, pepper and garlic powder. And now it's time to light the grill. Now we're using a plancha here, but you could use any sort of cast iron or even a frying pan. Make sure your cooking surface is up to temperature. You want at least 200 degrees centigrade. Lay your sausage patty onto the cooking surface and remove the greaseproof paper. Add on an egg ring so it starts to warm up. Then add on your buttered muffins just until they're lightly toasted. Now you're going to need to cook this side of the sausage patty for about 4 minutes until it starts to form a lovely crust. After that time, take your muffins off the plancha and turn your patty over. Cook on this side for about 3 minutes. Now add a spray of oil to your egg ring. And carefully put your egg inside the ring. Season your egg and let this cook for about 2 minutes. Once that time's up, use a pair of tongs to remove the egg ring from the egg. Then very carefully flip the egg over. Try not to break the yolk, like we did. Cook this for about another 10 to 15 seconds, you're only wanting to seal the top. And now it's time to take it all off and assemble your muffin. Start with the bottom of your muffin, then your sausage patty, then your egg, And finally the top of your muffin. And there it is, a sausage and egg McMuffin that you've cooked at home. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment in the comment section down below, and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.